Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Bender here with your workout of the day. Today I'm going to show you a really quick workout focused on the lower body, hitting the lower body from multiple angles so we're recruiting maximum muscles in a short amount of time. Equipment today, I'm using 2 dumbbells. You can do body weight if you're working your way up to a weighted exercise, but the added resistance helps you get results, and a chair for one exercise, and a yoga mat because we will be on the floor. Okay guys, so really quick, we're going to do 10 reps per exercise. You can repeat this 3 to 5 times. If you're able to go through it all 5 times, double thumbs up, okay? So first exercise is a warrior deadlift. Belly's gonna pull in strong. You can hold 2 dumbbells, one, or do this with body weight. And what we're gonna do is keep the core strong, keep the back leg, knee facing toward the ground. We're just gonna let our arms hang straight. Our lower body's gonna do all of the work. Back, strong, flat back, and lift. That's 1. 2. You can put your foot down in between if you need to. 4. Reach through that back foot. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one on this side. 10. Always do both sides. 1, find your balance. Oh. 2, 3, core strong, back flat. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, guys. Next, we're going to be down on the mat. We're going to do leg series. No equipment for this one. Belly strong. One leg at a time. So, butt is going to lift. Core stays pulled in. Try and keep those hips high. Arms can come out beside your body. We're going to extend, lift, drop, and press. That's 1. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, pressing through the heel of that standing leg. 7, 8, 9, 10, straight into the other side. Get those hips lifting, belly in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys. Next, we're going to have pendulum squats. So, grab your dumbbells again. You can grab 1, 2, or do it with body weight. So I'm going to hold both and I'm going to bring them up to shoulder height. We're going to keep our legs together, squat down, all one side first. 1. So when you bring your leg up, knee is facing forward, not up. This is going to work this outside region of your legs and thighs. Okay, let's go. Core strong, butt reaching back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Find your balance. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Okay, Freezing the chair next. Put these here. We're gonna do Bulgarian split squats, which I always find this move challenging. You can use 1 or 2 dumbbells. I'll use 1 this time. Might amp it up to 2 during my second round, we'll see. Okay, so big step in front of your chair, and you're gonna reach back to put your toes on the chair. You can also choose to do the top of your foot. I'm more comfortable with my toes, it's up to you. Back knee faces down, weight comes to your shoulders, or if you're holding 2, they'll stay at your sides. And then we're going to lower straight down, press up, core strong. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to step a little further forward. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I really felt the burn on the last one, which is good. That is what we're going for. Okay, find your balance. Other side. One. Push through that front heel to lift. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, last exercise. We're going to do hydrant, right and left, so getting down on all 4s. Belly stays strong and pulled in. Knees are going to be bent at 90. We're going to lift, squeeze just a little bit. So feel this outside portion of your butt engaging, and then squeeze it in. So pretending you could squeeze those inner thighs together. So we're working both sides of the legs, the abductors and adductors. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's hold for just a beat. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, there you have it. This is my really quick, my baby's taking a nap and I want to get in something good. But let me work up a sweat. I can move through it more quickly to make it a little bit more intense. And like I said, repeat it up to 5 times. So let me know how many times you got in and what you thought of the workout. Always, you can find my workouts free at benderfitness.com. I'll see you guys later.